Good afternoon. We have our children, we love them so dearly. And the first day that you take them to the school, it is, one of those most sensitive days. We take them to a future whereby we are leaving them to the teachers so that we will see what they become in life. But something that we fail to know is that whatever that they are going to do in the class, it is already pre-programmed at home, and we pre-program our children through what we give them to eat. The nutrition that we give to our children is the one that is going to, control how they behave at school. It is going to control their mood as well. It is going to control how they concentrate at school. And all those things because of the daily decisions we take for the child from the age of 0 all the way to the age of 18. Whatever we give to the child, we are deciding the future of the child. That is how sensitive nutrition is. One of the things that must be taught to parents today, it is the food that they must feed to their children. We don't need to take that for granted because we can change the destiny of our children through what is fed to them. That is why we have this product, which is called Kiddi 24/7. And in this product, these are natural gummies. Actually, there is no overdose. They can eat as many, but it is advisable for them to. One is sufficient for the day, but if they take by mistake more, there is no problem. But all nutrition that a child does need is all in this Kiddi 24/7. I wish today I can see more parents giving Kiddi 24/7 to their children, not only for shaping and programming their destiny, but also to make sure that in these days of pandemic, our children are safe. We all know that our bodies have been designed by God to heal themselves. It is our responsibility, therefore, to give a beautiful atmosphere for the bodies to be able to heal themselves. And for our children, in these days of the pandemic, and also in the debates of how many must go to school, how many must remain going in shifts and all that, you need to have your children safe with Kiddi 24/7, and this is going to help you a long way in the pre-programming of the mood of your child, the concentration of the child, how the child, even the behavior of the child. Before you say this is wrong with the teacher, this is wrong with the teacher, the main thing is what we feed our children. Let's give this to our children to supplement what we feed to them. Kiddi 24/7. Thank you very much.